Hi, I'm Sonia, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your kitchen. To clean your kitchen, you will need the following items: liquid dishwashing soap, warm water, a few clean cotton rags, stainless steel cleaner if you have stainless steel appliances, barkeeper's friend, a large bowl, a broom and dustpan, and if you have sensitive skin, a pair of rubber gloves. Begin by pouring about half a teaspoon of dishwashing liquid into a large bowl. Add at least a quart of warm water. Swish your rag around in the water and wring it out until it is damp but not dripping. I'm short, so at this point I need to get my step stool. Clean your kitchen the same way you clean every room in the house, from the top down. We start with the cabinets, wiping the entire surface and paying careful attention to clean up any splatters or smudges, especially around the cabinet pulls. I like drying what I clean as I work, so I have a wet rag in one hand and a dry one in the other. Work around your kitchen systematically, first cleaning the upper cabinets, then the lower ones, rinsing your rag and swishing it around in the cleaning solution as needed. Next, clean your backsplash. You'll be surprised to see how greasy and grimy it can get. Move things out of your way if you have to. The area behind your stove gets splattered when you cook. It's best to clean these messes right away, but if you don't, it's good to do it as part of your weekly cleaning. Rinse and replenish your rag and start cleaning your countertop. Move things so you can clean behind and under them. Wipe the items on your countertop too, since they get dirty and dusty over the course of a week. Oh my, look at those crumbs. Remember when I told you you didn't need any fancy products? Well, I fibbed. Stainless steel cleaner works great on stainless steel and other surfaces. Just don't use it on chrome or nickel. If you aren't sure what your surface is made of, stick with the dishwashing liquid. Use a very small amount of stainless steel cleaner on a clean, dry rag. Rub gently to clean and polish. If stains don't come off right away, try again next week. Stainless steel cleaner works great on oven doors and control panels too. Remember to use just a tiny amount. Never ever use Windex or any other glass cleaner on your stainless steel. You'll thank me later. If you have a stainless steel dishwasher, use stainless steel cleaner on it. Same goes for your refrigerator. Carefully remove the grates from your stove and wipe them clean. Clean the cooking surface with stainless steel cleaner. It works amazingly well. The other fancy product I use is Barkeeper's Friend. It does not scratch. Remember, if you don't want to scratch your precious things, don't use anything abrasive. Sprinkle a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend in your sink and scrub gently all around, under the overhang if you have an undermounted sink, and around the drain. Rinse with clear water. When you're done cleaning all the exterior surfaces in your kitchen, it's time to clean a few interior surfaces. Start with the microwave. Ideally, you should clean up your messes when they happen, but if you're like most people, you don't. Use your dishwashing solution and rag to clean the inside of your microwave. Remove the plate and plate holder from your microwave if necessary. Wipe everything down with a dry rag. Take a look at the inside of your refrigerator. Are there things wilting and rotting in there? If so, get rid of them. Wipe up spills and crumbs too. You're almost done. Remove any mats from the floor and give your floor a good sweep from one corner to the other. Gather the dirt and toss it in the garbage. I clean my floor by hand, but if you prefer to use a mop, the only one I recommend is the O-Cedar microfiber one. What do I use to clean the floor? You guessed it, the same dishwashing liquid solution as always. It takes me only half an hour to clean my kitchen from top to bottom every week. If you do it regularly, like I do, you'll spend hardly any time or money to have a sparkling kitchen. I haven't touched on so-called spring cleaning, which involves combing over every drawer and cabinet, but if you're interested to know how I do it, let me know and I'll make a video.